Hey, this is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we will be looking at 3 simple steps to make sure AI models are not using your data to train themselves. So let's dive right in. OpenAI's free accounts are like gym memberships for their AI models. They get fitter and stronger with every use. Recently, they've been wrestling a lawsuit with New York Times where they kind of agreed to regurgitation. Well, regurgitation happens when prompts are used continuously, and there's a rare possibility that GPT will memorize the content and spit it out to others. Now, if you are worried about your data, your content, your privacy, then here are some simple 3 steps to make sure you stop training those models. Step 1, let's go ahead and click on our GPT. In here, all the way on the left-hand corner, click on your profile picture, click on settings and beta, click on data control, and here you will turn off chat history and training. That's step 1. If you have created your GPTs, make sure you click on one of the GPTs. On the upper left-hand corner, click on this little arrow, click on Edit GPT, scroll all the way down until you find your additional settings. And here you have this little box hidden all the way in the bottom that says, use conversation data in your GPT to improve your model. You will make sure you uncheck this because you do not want them to use this conversation to train their models. Now, step 3, the last and final step, is simply go to privacy.openai.com/policies. And here you will click on make a privacy request. It's going to ask you, click on consumer, and here you will make sure you click do not train on my content. And you're simply asking them to stop training these models on your information. You'll click on it, enter your email address, and they will send you a link to verify your identity and begin the process of your request. Now, I do not know what happens in the back end, but these are some simple steps to make sure you are not training these AI models on your data. And that's a wrap, my AI folks. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends, teachers, students, pets, whoever needs to see this video. Until next time, keep your data safe, humor alive. Like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.